So hello guys and welcome back to another video. I have a very special guest today. I think you saw her sometimes on my channel, but never in the focus, and today is the day, because today my sister is here. Hello.
Hi.
So this is Sanne, and she brought her car, which is the AMG GTR, because she wants me to teach her how to do donuts and slides with it. And of course, me being a good brother, I said, let's go. So she's had it for quite some time already. I've never really driven it for some reason, and I've never really slid it, but I imagine it's a bit similar to the Viper, but maybe a bit less aggressive. But we'll find out today. So by the way, interior is pretty nice on those, but like I said, it kind of reminds me of my Viper. Especially the seating position with the small window and everything. So I think we can do it. I think we can slide it. But it's really slippery today, because it's still wet on the road a little bit. But that's perfect for starting, I guess. Also, let me check the tires. Okay, I think we're good. We will be good for today. You like the cars? It has no downpipes in it, right? Or at least no cuts. It has downpipes, but no cuts.
Yeah.
So it sounds pretty good. You did it yourself?
No.
With Ulle?
Yes, Double D did it for us. Donnerbauer.
Donnerbauer, aye.
Donnerbauer, Double D.
Ulle Bauer's chief mechanic. Okay, Ulle Bauer is Ulle, by the way. Okay, so let's go slide your car. Sounds so good. I love the AMG sound. Alright, let's go. Sounds pretty good.
Thanks, Ulle. Thanks, Donnerbauer.
Hello. Sounds so good with the exhaust, man. Everything under control. Is it your song? Do you want me to slide it first? Yes? You sure?
Sure.
Okay, let's go. So you are sure you want me to slide the car? Okay.
Not quite sure, but...
I've never tried it with this car, but let's find out. Oh, it's very slippery today.
Oh.
There's no more. It's so slippery.
It scared you.
It's so pretty.
Take two. It's so loud.
I have to say, this car is really amazing to drive and I really like it. It feels like my Viper, but a little bit more tame than the Viper. It slides so easily. So you did a great choice of choosing the car. Well, I think now it's your turn to slide it. What do you think?
Yes,
Yes.
definitely.
So, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, what do you have to do? We're okay.
Was mache ich falsch? Ruhe länger raufbleiben.
Ja. Und dann kannst du. Okay, ready. You know what to do?
Ja.
A little bit. You did it once in America, huh?
Ja.
Okay.
Dann der Pulli.
Du musst eigentlich nur einlenken und Gas geben. Ja. Nochmal ein bisschen stärker, Gas.
Mehr Gas.
Ja. 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 Very nice. Very nice, very nice.
Very good, very nice.
Did you like it?
Yes.
Yes.
I'm getting a bit dizzy.
A bit dizzy. Okay. I think our mission is done, so let's drive back home and inspect your tires and then you can drive to Wolle. Not too bad. It's okay. You still have profile left.
That's good.
So, what's the resume? Resume.
Resume? I liked it, it was fun.
It was fun.
I enjoyed it.
Ciao, Sanne.